Today we are going to start the chapter number 3 of geography, that is climate, and in fact we are covering the climate of India. So in this particular chapter we are going to come across various definitions which are very important as well as very tricky related to geography. We will do that when we will reach over there. So right now we are starting this chapter climate, and first thing first, we have to understand in a geography if land mass is very important, as we have covered in chapter number 2, physical features of India, and drainage system, that is the chapter number 3. Now we are covering not the exactly chapter number 3 of geography. This is chapter number 4, not 3. It is chapter number 4 of geography, climate. So now we start. Let's begin. So climate of India. I have told you we are covering the climate of India. So first thing first, we have to understand the climate also influences the geography of any area. Now how climate influences? Climate means the atmospheric condition of a given area. Wherever we are going to study the climate of one specific area. So this atmospheric condition, this climate influences the land mass, natural vegetation, human beings, their life, their lifestyle. So I can give you one simple example. The people living in the equatorial zone, equatorial region or tropical region, they generally wear the cotton clothes because of the high temperature. Whereas the people who are living in the polar side region, near to the polar region, they will have to wear the woolen clothes to save themselves. So it will not only affect our clothing, our food habits, our total behavior, but the natural vegetation and wildlife also. So the area, climate generally influenced by two very important things. One is temperature and another one is precipitation or rainfall. These are very two important elements of climate or atmospheric condition which influences our entire life cycle. So now we will study what type of climate of India is, that we will study. वहां तक पहुंचने से पहले हम पहली चीज कर लेते हैं, the difference between weather and climate. I hope you have covered this topic in your previous classes as well. So quickly we are going to just discuss what is the difference between weather and climate. So weather and climate, first thing we are just having a discussion over this point number 4. In weather and climate, the elements, atmospheric elements are the same. Whether we are talking about weather or we are talking about climate, the conditions or the elements which influences them are the same, like the humidity, like the precipitation or temperature or air circulation, winds, the winds which are blowing over that particular area, जिसका हम weather की या climate की बात कर रहे हैं, ये सारे elements जो हैं common है. So clouds are there, humidity is there, winds are there, temperature are there. They are the common elements of climate as well as weather. Then what is the difference between weather and climate? So that defines the point number 1, that is weather is the atmospheric situation or condition over an area at a given point of time. So when we are talking about weather, we are talking about the atmospheric condition of a specific time. Like I make a call and ask my friend who is living in Bombay, what is the weather today? Okay, what is the weather of Bombay today? So that means you are talking about a specific given point of time and the atmospheric situation of that particular time. So I am repeating it, weather refers to the atmospheric conditions over an area, over any particular area at a given point of time. Whereas the climate, what is climate? Climate is the sum total of weather condition, sum total of the weather condition of a large area and for a longer period of time. So it will be first thing, it will be the weather condition, the sum total of this weather condition of a large area. Generally climate is taken for a large area, not for one particular city. Generally we take we take the climate of northern India, we take the climate of southern India, or we take the climate of India or Asia, or equatorial zone. So generally it is the sum total of all the weather condition of a large area and for a longer period of time. And in your book it has been written 30 years at least, कम से कम 30 साल इसका आप इसको हम एटमॉस्फेरिक कंडीशन से जोड़ते हैं फॉर अ क्लाइमेट, इफ यू वांट टू नो अबाउट अ क्लाइमेट ऑफ वन स्पेसिफिक एरिया. और ये जनरली इट इज फॉर अ गिवन पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम. अगर मैं दिन में बात कर रहा हूं आज का मौसम कैसा है, या हम आपस में बात करते हैं तो हम क्या कहते हैं कि यार सुबह तो बहुत गर्मी थी, वेदर जो था दैट वाज वेरी हार्श एंड heat was there, humidity was there, but now afternoon or after 2 hours weather completely changed. ठीक है, 1 घंटे 2 घंटे या सुबह से शाम में वेदर चेंज हो गया. जबकि हम क्लाइमेट के बारे में नहीं कह सकते कि सुबह क्लाइमेट कुछ और था और शाम को कुछ और है. सो दिस इज द फर्स्ट पॉइंट विच मेक्स द डिफरेंस बिटवीन वेदर एंड क्लाइमेट. नाउ द सेकेंड वन इज दैट इज द फर्दर एक्सटेंशन ऑफ योर पॉइंट नंबर 1. Weather is generally taken for a smaller area of one particular city, one particular town, whereas the climate is generally taken for a large area. Then the third point further explains it कि weather may change at a short interval, at a short period of time, like in hours weather can change, which I have explained to you, but the climate remains the same or unchanged year after year. So like if we will talk about the climate of North India, so that will remain the same. कि हमें पता है कि the climate of North India is extreme type of climate because in summer too much heat is there, whereas in winter it is chilling winter. ठीक है, तो ये almost same रहता है year after year. और ये जो है in a short interval it can change. So this is the difference and these are the common elements which you have to explain. Now after understanding this concept of weather, what is weather, how it is different from climate, we are moving to our chapter's core point, that is the climate of India. So in this chapter climate we are going to focus on the climate of India and what are the factors responsible for creating a such type of climate. So first thing first, we have to understand climate of India. The climate of India is described as monsoon type. So whenever you have been asked in 1 mark question ki what type of climate of India is, so you will describe ki the climate of India is monsoon type. A monsoon type of climate is there. So we know that monsoon begins with June, July and ends in September, October. तो वो हमारे पूरे इस फिनोमेना को, हम इंडिया के क्लाइमेट को कंप्लीटली इन्फ्लुएंस करता है. सो द क्लाइमेट ऑफ इंडिया इज डिस्क्राइब्ड एज मॉनसून टाइप. फर्स्ट थिंग. नाउ आपसे पूछ सकते हैं सेकंड 1 मार्क क्वेश्चन कि द वर्ड मॉनसून फ्रॉम वेयर इट हैज बीन डिराइव्ड, कहां से लिया गया ये वर्ड, कहां से ओरिजिनेट है इसका. तो मॉनसून, द वर्ड मॉनसून इज डिराइव्ड फ्रॉम अरेबिक वर्ड मौसिम. क्लियर? अरेबिक वर्ड मौसिम विच मीन्स सीजन. मौसिम, मौसम हम उसको बोलते हैं, उसी से आपका मॉनसून वर्ड डिराइव किया गया है. सो दिस इज द वर्ड यूज बाय द अरेबियन पीपल. नाउ यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड द अरब पीपल, दे नोटिस दिस टाइप ऑफ वेदर situation because when they visited in the southern part of India for trade in the medieval period of time, what they observed कि इंडिया में एक स्पेसिफिक टाइम में हवाएं एक डायरेक्शन में चलती हैं और फिर साल के एक स्पेसिफिक पीरियड में उनका जो डायरेक्शन है वो चेंज हो जाता है. ठीक है, तो दैट वाज ऑब्जर्व्ड बाय द पीपल ऑफ अरब और ट्रेडर्स ऑफ अरब एंड हु gave this word monsoon or mausim. They gave the word mausim और वो टाइम के साथ चेंज होते होते वो मॉनसून हो गया. तो एक हमें पहला क्वेश्चन पता लग गया, what type of climate of India is. So you have told कि this is of monsoon type. Second, from where this word has been derived, monsoon. So that has been derived from Arabic word mausim, which means season. अब इसकी डिफाइन आपने कर लेनी है इसको फर्दर. मॉनसून मीन्स द सीजनल रिवर्सल इन द डायरेक्शन ऑफ विंड्स ड्यूरिंग अ ईयर. आई एम रिपीटिंग इट और उसको एक एक वर्ड को हम समझ लेंगे. मॉनसून मीन्स सीजनल रिवर्सल इन द डायरेक्शन ऑफ विंड्स. तो मैंने अभी आपको बताया कि इस फिनोमेना को अरब ट्रेडर्स ने नोटिस किया कि साल के एक स्पेसिफिक टाइम में जो विंड्स हैं वो एक डायरेक्शन में मूव करती हैं इंडिया में, और जैसे ही वो टाइम कंप्लीट होता है और अगला टाइम आता है तो वो विंड्स का डायरेक्शन कंप्लीटली रिवर्स हो जाता है. तो एक टाइम पे वो इस तरफ चल रही हैं और फिर कुछ महीने के बाद उनकी डायरेक्शन जो है वो बदल जाएगी और वो रिवर्स हो जाएंगे. So this is the definition of monsoon. Monsoon means seasonal reversal in the direction of winds during a year. So we have covered one main question, difference between climate and weather. Then we have covered these three short questions, very short questions. Now we are moving to the next part.